Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Realme Note 50 is unlocked and online, because theme downloads need a connection. Once ready, open Settings and go directly to Home Screen and Lock Screen, then tap Themes. You do this now so you see both installed themes and recommendations. Make sure your battery is above 15% or plugged in, otherwise, avoid long downloads. Tap a theme thumbnail to preview. You'll get instant visual feedback before any changes are applied. You preview a theme to inspect wallpapers, icons, lock style, and fonts. This shows how the whole UI will change. Once done, tap Apply if you accept the full package, or choose Customize to mix wallpaper, icon pack, and fonts separately. If a theme requires extra assets, download them first. Make sure downloads finish before applying to avoid partial skins. Remember to check home screen layout and widgets after customization, so you finish by tapping Apply and waiting for the system to switch themes and redraw the UI. This can take a few seconds. Once applied, verify icons, widgets, and font sizes. Make sure nothing is misaligned. If you see glitches, reboot the phone first, then try reverting to the previous theme and reapplying. If problems persist, clear the theme's app cache or re-download the theme assets. This often fixes incomplete installs or corrupted downloads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.